Hello. Okay. Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. This is Asian session, and today is 22nd of July. Okay. Uh, do take note. Sorry. Sorry. Do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content of this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. With that, we move on to our live analysis. Okay, then today there is no much or not much key data. We have a monetary policy meeting minutes from the Aussie, which was out, and we have a BOE governor going to give a talk, and Fed chairman Powell also going to talk, and followed by the Richmond Manufacturing Index from the US. Then also do take note that from today we are trying to go on more on focus trading. Okay, what we are going to do is we are just because I understand that when we give too many orders on under the same spreadsheet or the same account, things are a bit complicated and a bit complex, too many orders to manage. So what we are going to do now is we are planning to split into two. In fact, it might be two or three. Okay, but I think most likely before end of the month we should be able to finalize whether it's two or three. So what we are going to do is we are going to do this day trading and momentum trading into one sector. Okay, meaning day and ad hoc trading in one account. Then another account we would try to do swing and maybe scalping or and news. So at least I think we have two accounts. I think should be okay. So at least we don't see much orders on the screen, and at least we can stay focused and move on. So let's move on to our first trade. Before we go into the currency, okay, I think the gold most likely have seen the day low, okay, but it's a 50-50. Okay, okay, this is a gold day low. It's a 50-50. So either we may have seen the low, or we may see the price uh, pushing towards 78 or 75. Okay, 80 and 75 before the market is taking a base. So since this is a 50-50, I think we should be able to go into the trade, and we see how it's working out. And also the target for today. Okay, today looking at the target, we are looking for uh, extension of this level. Okay, extension of this level, which is 3420. Okay, 3420 uh, or 3435, and maximum is this high. Okay, 3450. So any one of this three level are most likely targets. Then as far as this low is concerned, okay, let's say we take a day low. Okay, the day low can be now, which is this is the low, or we can see a extension of this low, which is 75 and 63. Okay, 75, 63, or we'll take it as 70. We'll take it as 70. So, looking at this, if we are going to go for another projection, okay, let me see. I think I need to do the setting on this. Extended, yeah, sorry, parallel. Uh, okay, I think I need to do the setting for this. I think we will do it later. Okay, anyway, so based on this, we are going for a trade. So, like as I said, the low for today, which has just happened, if this is the low, then I think we should see the price third, 88. So I think probably we'll put it as 83. Then the target, we will try to push another $15, sorry, $10 higher. So we are going to go for a day trade on the gold US. So we are betting that the low is seen. Okay, we are betting that the low is seen. Okay, but I think again we need to go for one more trade, which is if this is not the low, then we should be looking for 75 or 80 as the next low. So we will go for 75, and that one, since if this is as getting a deeper pullback, then we would try to go for do go for a slightly lower target, which is 34.05. So we have two orders. Okay, we are betting one, the low is already seen here. If this is the low, then we are expecting the price to go higher. Then another one is we are betting that the low is not seen, then this would be the next target. But again, I think the high one, I think we can do it later, because now it's not in a hurry. We try to put in, so because the more we key in the orders, I think the more people are getting confused, because there's too many orders to manage. So let's move on to the next, which is the gold euro. Similar situation. If this is the low, then the low we'll take it as 94 or 93. Okay, then then we go for uh, hold on. So sorry. So if this is the low, then we are expecting a daily target, maximum is 2945, or uh, 2925 2925 to 2945. So then if we are looking at an hourly this looks like this is the low. So then we will also look for another low, just in case if we get stopped out. The next low we can look for is 2890 with the stop below 2886. Okay, 2890 and 2886. So let's see. Sorry. I think we may get one more low, but I think it's a 50-50, so I think we should be able to go on into this trade. So what we will do is we would go for a buy near 2898 with a stop below 2893, and the target will go for a conservative target extension of this, which is 2915. So we have two targets which is 2925 and 2945. Okay, so based on this, I think we should be able to go another okay, we will go for a buy at 98, stop 93, target 2915. Another buy, we will try to go for 2890. Okay, that means $8 away. Then we would go for stop at 86 and the TP about 2925. So based on this, we have another order. We have another order to 2890. Okay, 2890, 2885.5 and 2925. Okay, we have two orders, which is one we are betting that the low is seen. Then another one is the low we are expecting slightly lower. So these are the two orders. And also do take note that we are going, we have to clearly decide what we want to do on the trades, and we have to stick to the plans. So if it breaks lower, then if we get, because like as I said, from today I don't want to give too many orders. We are splitting into two. One is swing trading and scalping together in a different account, then day and momentum in one account. So at least you don't see too many orders, and I don't think it should be confusing to you as well. Okay, the next one we are going to go for gold Aussie. Okay, the gold Aussie, looking at this, we are let's see the target. So the target can be, maximum is 5303, that is the maximum target, or we can see a extension which is 523035 and 5255. So we'll take it as 5250, 5230 as a conservative target. Then as far as the support is concerned, I think we should not see the price going below 5140. So looking at this again, we are seeing the price slightly lower. So we will go for two trades. One is buying, uh, sorry, at near this low 5190 and 5180. Okay, our stop loss should be 5172 and if this is the buying point, then probably the stop loss is about 5185. Okay, so two we are going to bet. One is we are betting that the low may be seen. Okay, may be seen. The other one is the low is not yet seen. Okay, looking at this chart, there is a most likely chance that we may have not seen the low yet. Okay, looking at this, so we may see the price price going to 5190 and 5182, before this is bottoming. Okay, then of course the target we are looking for 5230, 5250. Okay, so let's go on two trades based on this analysis. One is we are trying to go for a buy at 5190, stop 5184 half. Okay, and the TP we will put it as 5230. Okay, so this is a day order. Okay, then another one we are going to go for a buy at 5180 and 5174. Okay, 74 with a target of, we'll put a very conservative target which is 5215, and this is a day buy. Okay, so we have two orders for gold Aussie. One is buying at 5190, stop at 84 half and target 5230, and the other one is 5180, and we are putting a very conservative TP, which is 5215. So let's move on to the currencies. The currency we are looking at the euro dollar. Okay, I think yesterday our view for the currency was wrong. Okay, totally, because the gold was we were expecting high, but the currency wise we were expecting the price to have one more drop before the price starts to pull back. But we were wrong. I think yesterday we paid the price for that, and again, my apologies for that. Sometimes it does happen, this kind of thing. So we got to get ourselves prepared. So now, currency, what we can expect is a target of 11750. Okay, 11750, or we look for extension of this level. Okay, extension of this level, which is 11750 and 11780 and 11830. This is your final call. So we will take it as 11750 as of now. Okay, then we are going to go on two tiers of entry. Okay, as if now I think we have yet to see the low. we will go for a buy at 11670 as one buy, and another buy. I forgot to see the check. Uh, the stop loss. Okay, so 670.75 as one. Another one, the stop, I think we got to put at 11640.45. Okay, so then another buy at 11660. Okay, 60. So since it's only about 15-20 pips away, we would try to go for a conservative buy, which is 11680, and we'll go for 11650 55. So this would be a two entry, and we are looking at a conservative target of 11750. So looking at this, we are going for a buy. One is 11680 and stop 11645. Then 117 half as a target, and this one we will give until the next time belt. So this one we will take it as a conservative buy, and we can even take it as a scalping, or whichever way which you want to handle it. Okay, now the next thing is we go for another entry at 11655, and we will go for a tight stop 20 pips, and we will go for half lot, and this is 11740 or 45, and this is a day buy. So we have two entries for euro. Okay, and this is a day order. One is a day buy, which is 11655, and a stop at 11635, and TP at 11745. So the next trade we are going to see is pound. We are in the similar situation. Okay, market is pull back, and the correction is not over yet. Probably we should be looking to buy somewhere near 134.65, but before that I think we need to know the target and the stop loss. So the target, if we are expecting the high to break, then we should see the price 35.30, 35.80 max, or 35.40. Stop loss we will take 4 hours low, or I think that should be the way. So we can go for 34.70 buying and 34.45 buying, and the stop below that. Okay, so that can be, and our target we will try to fix it before 35.40. Okay, 35.40 or 35 half. So looking at this, we have two entries. Okay, two entries on the pound. Okay, the correction is still not over yet, so we'll try to go for 34.70. Okay, 34.70. So let's put in this order. Buying at 34.70, stop at 34.30, and TP at 35.40. Okay, expiry we will give until another 4 hours on this trade. Okay, then we have another order which is going to be slightly higher volume, which is buying at 34 half, stop at 34.25, and 35.30 or 35.30 or 35 as a final order, and this is a day buy. So we have two orders, one buying at 34.70, which is 10 pips away. Then we have another 20 pips away, and the trading lot size is slightly higher. Okay, so on that note, we will try to make it the other way around. Okay. Next, let's move on to our next trade, which is dollar yen. So the dollar yen, if we look into daily, looks like we may have seen the high at 49. Actually, we were expecting slightly higher, but looks like the market is turning earlier than anticipated. So here, when we look at this, I think we have already seen a correction started on the 4-hour chart. So we should be looking to sell at 47.95 and 48.40, stop at 48.95, and the target we are looking for is either retracement, which is 46 half, or extension of this level, which is also about 46 half. So we'll take it as 46 46 for 55 as the final target. Looking at it, one is we can take this as the high or the correction is over, or another way is extension of this level, okay, which is 47.95. Okay, what we will do is, for this trade, I think we will just go for a single entry because we still feel this is very choppy, and we should see the price extending before the price comes down. So we'll just go for a single entry on the dollar yen, okay, which is we go for half lot, selling at 47.90 and 48.30. Then the target is 46.55, and this is a day sell. Okay. So this is another entry which we are going, but of course once the order is filled, we will try to go for another add-on entry. So that is up to you to decide how do you want to play this game in a very safe manner. So the next entry we are going to look for is Aussie. That is going to be our final thing, and of course, slowly we would try to enter other crosses when we get a opportunity. Okay, so now looking at the Aussie, Okay, let's say we look at the day chart. Okay, we look at the day chart. We are seeing price is making higher lows, but this doesn't tell us that whether correction is over or we are going to see new high. Okay, so the euro and the pound looks the market may go higher. So as of now, we will take this target as 65.75, and what we are seeing is we have seen a low at 64.55. Right now this is trying to form a short-term low. So if this is the case, then we should see the price target at least extension of this level, which is 65.55 and 65.75. So as far as the stop loss is concerned, we need to place before below 64.90. Okay, the stop loss. So we are seeing, and looks like we have yet to see the correction over yet. Okay, this is we think we should see one more leg down. So probably we will try to buy at this level or slightly lower, with the stop with the stop being below this level and the target we'll put it at 65, 50, 55. So we will go for a single entry on this. We don't have two entries, so we'll go for a single entry. So this is I think we can afford to go half lot. Single entry 65.05, stop at 64, 80, 85, and TP at 65, 50 or 55. So this is a day buy order. Okay, so I think that's about it. I think now this looks a bit cleaner and not confusing, because I do get some feedback saying that too many orders has been placed. Sometimes it's very confusing. So what we are trying to do now is we will be keying in a swing trading on a separate account. So we are trying to split into two groups. So one is a day trading and another one is a swing trading. So then we will try to slowly build the portfolio, meaning the week. Once we do, because the reason why we have to do this is because when we do a weekly target, so that will help us to stay with this target and the stop loss registered, so at least we don't have to do the work every day literally on this. So we are waiting for another account to be ready. Once the account is ready, then most likely during the US session we will start that. Sorry, during the Europe session, then we will try to manage both the accounts with a simplified manner. So now, before we go off, just want to see how is the gold doing. So the gold is showing okay, we are trying to buy slightly lower. Okay, what we can do is, okay, we don't want to miss this trade. I don't, I mean, of course, I don't encourage you to put in. Maybe you may want to monitor, okay? If it breaks 92 or 92 half, this can break higher, okay? This can go higher. But I don't want to give a call. I don't want to take this trade. But I'm just letting you know. If you can put a stop buy around 92 half or 93, then put a stop at 80, about 87, then we can expect this price to go higher. But until then, this is going to be in a choppy manner. So let's check on the gold euro. Okay, gold euro also, I think we may get one more drop, but this is a 50-50, you know. So I'm not sure whether I want to go for this trade or do the thing, but I think we'll just try to work on these trades. Let's see what would be the outcome. Then after that, we decide how we try to go on. Okay. I think that's about it. So during the Europe session or US session, we will try to go concentrate on the swing. So because today we will try to split the account from today. So at least it will be less confusing, and you don't see too many orders in one go. So it will be, so for those people who want to follow swing, you can follow swing. For those people who want to follow day trading, you just follow day trading. So we will make things easier. So at least, you know, we will try to have a different ball game altogether. Okay. So for those of you just came in, I just want to share my screen. So today we are starting with two new accounts. Okay, two new accounts. What we are doing is we are trying to split to two. One is the day trading and one is a swing trading. So the orders, the targets will all be different, but of course it will be in a different management thing. So if you are following swing, then you can follow swing. If you follow day, then it will be follow day. So we'll put it in two different accounts, so it's easier for you to track, and it's also easier for you to manage, because the feedback I get is too many orders is too confusing, and we can't able to follow up. So now we made it simple. So that means one account we only get instead of 5 orders, you only have 2 to 3 orders per cross. So that makes things a bit easier and straightforward. Okay. So I think that's about it. So I'll see you all again during the Europe session, hopefully with a new account, and probably we will concentrate on the swing. Then we will concurrently we try to manage every time when we meet. So at least it will be easier for you to manage and follow up. Okay, so we're starting fresh. So we have split it. So at least I think you can also easy for, because like as I told you before end of the month, we want to finalize in all the way which we approach, the way which we handle the things, and we want to do it at purely systematic trading. So we don't want to get emotional, and we just want to keep going. Okay, so I think that's about it. The comment full, you can't see that. Okay, no, I I just put a simple word. It's just a day by day sell, you know. So slowly, comment all. We will try to improve it. Not to worry on that. Definitely, we will try to improve. And but the end of the day, you must understand, okay, what we are trying to do. Okay, our goal is very simple. We don't want to to get emotion. We don't want to miss any opportunity. We our target is we are looking at 2 to 3% return per day. Okay, our target and our risk also will be the same. So in the moment once we lose 2%, then we'll be stop trading for the day. Then we'll come in for the next day. So I'm trying to do everything in a very systematic manner. So if everything goes out well and as planned, I think we should make at least 20 to 30% per month, and that is what we are working. And it is going to be a very systematic play, so we don't have to get emotional. We don't have to get worried, even we lost. I mean, getting stopped out and all is part of the game. But sometimes you must understand that when your view is wrong, we got to pay our price. So there's two things. One is view is wrong, pay the price, and the other one is entry is wrong. Okay, entry means we get an early entry before the market really gives us a turn. So that is the thing we need to take note. Okay, so I think that's about it. I'll see you all in another 16:45. So another 5 hours time. Thank you.